Looking back out to the highway we came from. It's really lucky actually that those guys, the guy with the ute, allowed us to jump in the back, me and those Mexican guys, because there was no chance of us coming up without a car. That's one of the rules of the place. So looks like there's another volcano in the distance over there. It's got that conical shape, typical volcano looking. Yeah, so it worked out in the end. I was having a chat to some guys earlier today. One of the most popular tours that you take from Granada is to come see this volcano. It costs $25. To enter the park, it's $10. And to catch a bus all the way here, public buses, it's probably only like $2. So definitely the cheapest way to go is just to get public buses out here and pay for the entrance, if you can find someone with a ute that's kind enough to let you jump in the back. My first active volcano, so that's pretty cool, or at least my first volcano that's as active as this.